The Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP, continues to enhance its military capabilities through international cooperation, particularly with India. In recent years, the Philippines has forged an increasingly close partnership with India, importing a variety of defense products designed to strengthen its combat capabilities and national security. Some of the Indian-made products that have been successfully adopted by the AFP include ballistic helmets, body armor, and night vision equipment from MKU Limited, as well as the BrahMos land-based anti-ship missile system, and the Philippines has shown interest in other Indian products including 155mm towed howitzers, armored vehicles, HAL Tejas Mk.1A aircraft and ships. One of the biggest achievements in this cooperation is the acquisition of the BrahMos anti-ship missile system. This system is a collaboration between India and Russia, and is known to be one of the fastest supersonic missiles in the world. With the BrahMos, the Philippine Navy will have the capability to effectively counter maritime threats and enhance the security of its territorial waters. Recently, the Philippine Aerospace Development Corporation, PADCorp, has confirmed its involvement in the assembly process of the Tejas Mk.1A light combat aircraft, if the Philippine Air Force, PAF, decides to place an order. This is a significant step for the Philippine defense industry, and strengthens cooperation with the Indian aircraft manufacturer. India's defense page reports that India's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, is partnering with the Philippine Airgankang Development Corporation, PADC, to offer a special variant of the HAL Tejas Mk.1A light fighter aircraft that is better suited to naval strike and anti-shipping roles. The Tejas Mk.1A will be integrated with the Subsonic Naval Anti-Ship Missile Extended Range, NASMR, being developed by India, or the supersonic BrahMos NG anti-ship missile or air-launched cruise missile. While believed to be a proposal to compete in the multi-role fighter acquisition project as a cheaper alternative to the Saab JAS 39C, D, E, F Gripen, Lockheed Martin F-16 Block 70/72 Viper or Kai F-21 Barame, Max Defense Philippines believes that didn't happen. While we mentioned this a few days ago, it seems only a few people are picking this up. But the approved Horizon 3 purchase plan actually includes a project to acquire a surface attack aircraft in the light combat aircraft category, where the Kai FA-50 Block 20 Fighting Eagle competes. The Tejas Mk.1A has an advantage over the FA-50 Block 20 in terms of anti-shipping capability, as the latter has no real anti-shipping capability, the ability to carry and fire purpose-built anti-ship missiles. Working with PADC, which has recently been revived now under the Department of National Defense, is an advantage as it gives companies the boost they need to become relevant SRDP participants. While it remains unclear where PADC will be involved, the most obvious is local aircraft maintenance, although it is possible PADC could be more involved in other areas such as customizing the Tejas Mk.1A to PAF requirements, or perhaps even local assembly. It will be recalled that about 2 weeks ago, several Indian defense companies were in the Philippines seeking opportunities to participate in defense projects and collaborate with local companies. PADC CEO Raymond Mitra confirmed its partnership with HAL to offer the Tejas Mk.1A to meet the requirements of the Philippine Air Force. The Philippine Air Force has strict requirements in selecting fighter aircraft to strengthen its air defense. The two fighter aircraft of concern are the Tejas Mk.1A from India and the FA-50 Block 20 from South Korea. Both of these aircraft have their respective advantages that need to be evaluated to see how capable they are of competing and meeting the requirements of the Philippine Air Force. Tejas Mk.1A is an Indian-made fighter aircraft that has superior capabilities in air combat and ground attacks. This aircraft is equipped with an AESA radar, advanced avionics systems and various weapons. The speed, maneuverability and air resistance of the Tejas Mk.1A are its main advantages. With these capabilities, the Tejas Mk.1A can be a strong choice for the Philippine Air Force in dealing with air threats. On the other hand, the FA-50 Block 20 from South Korea is also a reliable fighter aircraft and has been proven in various air missions. This aircraft has high speed, good maneuverability, and is equipped with a modern weapons system. The FA-50 Block 20 has also proven reliable in air operations and has been used by several countries as a primary fighter aircraft. In order to meet the requirements of the Philippine Air Force, these two aircraft need to be evaluated based on established criteria, such as combat capability, interoperability with existing air defense systems, ease of maintenance, and long-term operational costs. These two aircraft have their respective advantages which can be taken into consideration when choosing. Tejas Mk.1A and FA-50 Block 20 are two fighter aircraft that have an important role in air defense in various countries. Both are equipped with a variety of weapons that make them effective in a variety of air missions. However, there are differences in the weapons capabilities of the two aircraft. Tejas Mk.1A is an Indian-made fighter aircraft equipped with various modern weapons. Some weapons that can be integrated with the Tejas Mk.1A include air-to-air missiles. Tejas Mk.1A can carry air-to-air missiles such as Darby, Python, and R-73 to deal with air threats. Air-to-ground missiles. The aircraft is also equipped with air-to-ground missiles such as the KH-59, KH-35, and Crystal Maze to attack ground targets. Cannon. The Tejas Mk.1A is equipped with a 23mm GSH-23 cannon, which can be used to attack ground and air targets. On the other hand, the FA-50 Block 20 is a light fighter aircraft made in South Korea which is also equipped with various modern weapons. Some weapons that can be integrated with the FA-50 Block 20 include air-to-air missiles. The FA-50 Block 20 can carry air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM to deal with air threats. Air-to-ground missiles. The aircraft is also equipped with air-to-ground missiles such as the AGM-65 Maverick and Taurus KEPD-350 to attack ground targets. Cannon. The FA-50 Block 20 is equipped with a 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon, which can be used to attack ground and air targets. From the comparison of the weapons owned, it can be said that the Tejas Mk.1A has the advantage in a greater variety of air-to-ground weapons compared to the FA-50 Block 20. However, the FA-50 Block 20 has the advantage in air-to-ground missile capabilities. More sophisticated air. These two aircraft have their respective advantages according to different operational and tactical needs. We hope that the choice of multi-role aircraft, especially for the Philippine Air Force, can increase capabilities that are more effective in protecting the sovereignty of our country.